welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today is Friday, June 30th. It is 11:33. I've been up since maybe like 9. I was supposed to go take my car up to the shop today, but I didn't because it's so far and he told me to be there at 9. Who finna do that? No. So now I am dressed, and y'all seen this outfit already. Oh, y'all, I don't even know where my battery to my camera is. I don't know where it's at, and I'm on 2 bars. I don't know where none of my stuff is after last weekend. I don't know if I left it at Nina's house or what, but I need new everything. I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I get in the car because I don't really want to use all my battery in the house. I just left like 5 minutes ago. I left my edge brush and my edge control in here, so I gotta do my edges. I'm really thinking about getting a sunroof just so it could look better in here, and I really want the sun just beaming on the red seats to make it pop. So we gonna see about that. I am on the way to the nail salon. My nails are time to, I don't know if y'all can really see on camera, but it's time for them to get done. I just did this while doing my hair. I make the scrunchie hella tight. I was gonna get my toes done, but then again, I don't know because one of my, y'all remember my big toe, it broke, and I need to let it breathe. So I don't know if I'm gonna get my toes done or not. All right, y'all. So I just came out the nail salon. I got there at like 12 o'clock. It's 1:42. I've really been there for like 2 hours. My nails are done. I got this little neon color. I tried to do something for the summer. I got my lip wax. I didn't get my eyebrows done because the ladies just got so many people in front of her. And before I went in there, I literally placed the order for chocolate covered strawberries. Oh my god, I'm so excited. My boyfriend got me a pack yesterday, but that pack was like really like a little. Well, no, he actually just sent me the money for it and I bought it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, they look like God. Ah! I'm supposed to be pulling off, but oh my god. And the ones from yesterday were so freaking good, and I only had one because it came with 2, but my mama took 1, so I only had 1. I was irritated, and I wanted to come yesterday after work, but they closed at 6. Oh, my mouth is so watering. I paid $55 for these. I'm gonna make sure my boyfriend get my money back. Hopefully they don't melt while I'm driving because I gotta drive. But I'm gonna give it a shot. Hi guys, so it's the next day and we came to this Korean place. I never had this, but it's like this. What if I just got my camera in there? He just brought out some salad. I'm not gonna judge without tasting it. Do I eat it with this? Pop this? Babe, do I pop this right? But it's different, like okay, give me some of that. Y'all, he just brought this stuff out. He said kimchi. I don't know what that's called. Oh my god.
Pop!
God.
Y'all know what the fuck
So
going
actually,
on,
wait,
nigga.
babe, can I tell them where we at? Close the door. Y'all, we are at a spa and we just have to go our separate ways. He has to go to the men one. I'm going to the women one. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so cool. Look at my nails. Look at them. Oh, let me not record. Oh wow. Okay, let me not. Wow, y'all. So I'm in the locker room. Of course, I have to take my clothes off and this stuff is so big. Oh my God. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to get a massage in so long. Okay guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all later, okay? I'm gonna catch y'all up when I get back. I have to get naked. Hey guys, so we left massage.
Nobody fucking cares.
We left the massage place and I give it like 8 out of 10.
Out of 10.
I ended up spending $320.
You ain't spend shit. I spent $320.
Yeah, it's kind of pricey, but you know, it was good.
4.5 out of 10.
And now I came to Brewster's because I want something sweet. They brownies and ice cream. Y'all, I am outside. Y'all remember who did my hair for my birthday? Zaria. Hi y'all. We missed each other so much, y'all. No, because I have to remind you. I just made it with her. Well, not really. Maybe like a. Ooh, baby.
Y'all are pretty. Jesus, y'all so cute. Thank you.
Why we walk past things?
Girl, it ain't shit back there.
Oh, I ain't even paying that no attention. I'm finna run into a baby. Y'all, we made it in. We've been here for like 5 minutes. It's cute in here or whatnot. La, 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 la. I'm gonna try to get a drink. I don't think I want to drink. I don't drink like that no more.
You gotta get me drunk before the sun rolls.
Yes,
That's your job.
for real. Y'all, our food came. I got the beef rib. She eat the salmon. Oh my God, I'm so happy for this. Like, y'all, so I just finished. Not really though. I barely ate anything. Y'all, this is my first time eating today. Believe it or not. She packed her food up to go. Mine was good though. I just get full real fast. Like, I don't know why. I got shit all in my teeth. Y'all, we left. It's 10:47 and it's old rain.
Oh my God, y'all.
I thought I couldn't drive in the rain. She cannot drive in the motherfucking rain. She's going 2 miles per hour on the highway.
You cannot see shit. Literally.
Oh my God. This is.
And my car was slide, bitch. You don't want to be the push me, so.
Oh my God. This is kind of scary.
It is definitely scary.
My battery's gonna die. But I got another battery. Here. Ooh, baby.
Baby.
Ooh, baby.
You can't even see
Ooh,
the
baby, baby, please. You want to get over that way or
We
no?
went to my house.
It was closer.
I mean, yeah, we were still in Buckhead.
Why you didn't? Well, we didn't know it was raining.
think it was
bad. Look how bad it is, though.
Oh
Like,
my God, the street is flooded.
oh my God, Zaria, can you see?
Yeah, a little bit.
I think we should turn it off.
Turn that shit out. You should have listened to your mama.
Oh, maybe we should slow. Oh my God. Maybe we should slow down. No, this is OD crazy. This is crazy. And it's like we just driving straight. We don't see shit. Oh my God. This is scary.
We done stop. It's raining so hard. These people is driving so fast, like they not scared to hydroplane.
Yeah, we done stopped on the side of the road.
Oh, look at that big ass truck.
And them be scary to ride past. Like, they just speeding. Is it not raining that hard no more? Like, hey guys, so this vlog is kind of like everywhere. It's the next day. I have not been actually recording like all day, you know, like I usually do. I'm getting the most important parts, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I haven't, well, I really haven't been doing nothing. That's really why. So I did record earlier because I went to try to get a new phone on my own plan, but it didn't work. So I'm not even gonna insert that clip because that is just really pointless. Okay. Right now it's 8:34. I am first on the way to get some gas because I am on 52 miles. What I have been doing is just like filling my tank up and then wait till I need gas again and fill it all the way back up. After I get gas, I'm finna head to Nina's house because she wants me to help her with something, and I left some things over there. And plus, I'm not doing anything. I'm in my room bored, and it's just like I want to get out the house. I'm gonna stay for a couple of hours. This shit better feel. Oh, I hate when this does this. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I literally forgot my whole camera in the car. I'm just now getting back in the car though to move my car because I got somebody blocked in. But we're not doing nothing anyway. Y'all not missing anything at all. She been blow drying her hair. Anaya had came over here. Hi, my favorite people. It's the next day, obviously, and I look the same as yesterday. It's a real cute day. Right now it's 12:48. I've been up since like 10. I just left my house to be on the way to my boyfriend's house. Says I'm gonna get there in an hour. That's actually good compared to the other times. Sometimes it be having like an hour 15, hour 20, hour 25. Sometimes it be longer than it. It says I'm gonna get to his house at 1:43. 54 minutes away. I'm actually in a good mood. I feel like today's gonna be a good day. Hopefully the weather stays like this. It's real sunny. I bought my whole bag right there. I think y'all can see. To get ready over here. I haven't showered yet. Not gonna lie. I haven't even brushed my teeth. Our water pipe had busted, but the man literally just left my house from fixing it. But my boyfriend is so in a rush for me to get there. Like, he said I can do everything there. So, and hopefully today is one of them days where I literally vlog my every move, because these past few days I have not been doing it. But I don't know why. I just feel like the parts that I didn't record was just unnecessary, if you know what I'm saying. But I look crazy right now, but you know, I'm gonna fix that. I haven't ate nothing. I'm hungry. My mom them had Waffle House. They asked me if I wanted some. I said no. We had that yesterday. I didn't want that. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I just beat the arrival time by 10 minutes. Like, the highway was empty. It's 1:34 and I'm pulling up in the driveway. Hey guys, so I am done getting ready. Kinda, not really. But I just did my edges. Hopefully my hair be good because I kind of took forever to put the curl products in here. I like to do it when it's damp, like I told y'all before. But I don't even know what time it is. Keith, he been ready. He been waiting on me. I just have on this oversized tee. I was gonna wear a matching set, but it's showing too much, so I'm not. So and I got these shorts. I can't get my words out. I got these shorts on. He said I look naked, but they're under there. You know, just the oversized look. This is blurry. I'm really praying for my curls today. I need to brush my lashes. Hey guys, we just stopped at his auntie house. Everybody at the pool. I'm gonna get some hot dogs. They said only eat hamburgers and hot dogs now. You want a hot dog too?
Yeah.
Guess I just tried it.
Yeah. How long they been at the pool?
For about 20 minutes. I just eat mine plain. Oh, they got it so cute set up. 4th of July vibes. The one that I was eating was pork. I just knew it. Like, I don't know why I always listen to him. So I gave him my pork Yeah, it's good, but I can't eat pork.
Wow.
I don't eat pork.
You're not Muslim for real, bro.
Well, I was raised with not eating pork. So
Me
imagine
either.
if I eat it now, I'm
Me
gonna
either.
be sick.
Me either. We used to be vegan.
Yeah, this is my son. We just left his auntie house, by the way. We on the way to the next spot, his friend's house, so we're not. Be quiet. This is my song so bad, y'all. This is my song.
I should've saw the signs, how could I miss the having sex soon as I get my bitch back? Tell me about loyalty, show me this time. I'm on your head, Nickelodeon time.
I don't know where my boyfriend is at. I don't know if he's behind me, in front of me. Alright, y'all, little update. We at the shop. The shop I always come to. Well, where he get his hair twisted. Oh, baby. Hey, y'all. So, I came to the car for a second. Well, I've been here for maybe like 10 minutes. I'm kind of mad at my curls because they have curling. Like, ooh, let me clean my camera because there's some stuff. I came to the car. I'm kind of ready to go. Not really. But Big's in there getting his hair cut. And then I think we finna head to his friend's house where all the fireworks at in a second. I'm ready to see how this gonna go, how this gonna play out, period. And I'm ready to eat some food. I will sit and make a video to one part of the song 10 times, 1,000 times, literally, till I feel like it's one that I like. And I always been like that. I don't know. I really don't know. It's starting to get a little cloudy, a little gray skies. We're gonna hope for the best. It's recording.
So right now we at the fucking cookout. We got fireworks and shit. Hey, y'all tell what we just go. I just pull up a 4 perks.
Oh my fucking god, y'all niggas fucking here. Unfuckable crew, man.
This is not your vlog. Oh shit, they flying fireworks. It sound like gunshots. It just scared me. Yeah.
We popping out tonight, man.
Hey, Sanaya, why is upside down?
Listen, man, look, we popping out tonight. Get what though, man? Only players.
And we finna spin this shit.
Only players, if your hair lifting, you can't come. But get what? I have a bitch. She's
Hey, come with your hair done.
Yeah, come with your hair done, just in case.
Make sure your hair
for the
done,
guys.
baby.
I got a bitch though, but just come for the guys. You know what I'm saying?
That's who they be looking to see, Key. Hey, Key. This is not your boyfriend, you guys.
Main character, you guys.
Hey, man. We finna go spend 100,000 on nothing.
On nothing. On nothing. I might just pour it out or pour it in the lake.
We been gonna spend 100,000 on nothing, man. Oh, look at you.
Eric trying to blow.
Where you holding? Eric, you holding the firecrackers, man. Oh, hell no. Did you see that, you guys?
That shit gonna explode and shit.
What's up? What's up, P?
That's him. He said, I finna, hold on. See, when we cut it and I come back, I'm gonna have that shit on.
So that's really,
This little.
it's really like a,
You. Getting ready for the fall.
it's a tray.
Look at Ufman said, let Sonny try the firework. He gotta get in the middle of the street. He gotta get in the street to pop that little ass firework. Look at him. Y'all scared in. Look at him. Blake, you holding it in your hand, that motherfucker gonna hurt. Blake! Man, let me get off out of your hour. You try to hold it in your hand like you crazy. Oh, yeah, we pushing.
Right here. We just came to the house. Finna eat some food. Oh my god, I'm finna get up. Oh, open the door. I just came to my car to eat though, cause it's kind of hot outside. It's humid, like. That's not gonna get you full. You're not hungry like that?
Yeah. Yeah. Chicken, mac, baked beans. Y'all got yams? It don't matter.
Hey, can I have a plate too? You want to make your plate? Please.
So mama said she gonna fish out lemon drops tonight.
Go ahead.
You got box meat on there in 1942.
No, that right. I ain't gonna lie. She can cook.
Me too. That's why I got a baby plate. But it's 10 out of 10 though.
She's 10 out of 10.
Though. Look at her plate, y'all.
I'm almost done. This shit fire though. Yeah, we got lemon drops. Waiting on the mine. She dead right now because she's sober. Y'all gotta wait till she.
Y'all gotta wait till I get this wrong.
She over there making it up too. I'm finna taste it.
Go ahead.
Oh, that's a lemon drop. It's good. And I like the sugar with it. Y'all, she too lit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They finna take their shot. Wait, let me see how. Oh my god. No, you gotta do it one time. One time, Sonny. Come on. You for the vlog. Somebody can't. We shooting day. I'm gambling these young boys.
Me and my brother just shooting.
Taking up their money.
Sanita came over here.
1942.
Oh damn. Do say. Let's still rolling dice. It's 8:13. She's still holding on to that shot. He was on the vlog. Y'all, this Blake, me Blake. Y'all never really seen him.
And we drinking.
I'm finna take a shot. I'm finna
Period.
Wait, the mic?
Let me take. Where you going?
Okay, this ain't nothing in here.
Let's give my first some listen.
No.
I
What?
don't know whose phone I got, but I'm putting it back in my couch. I think it's yours tonight.
You got my phone? How you got my phone?
Oh
You
no.
sure do.
What I got phone?
What's that?
For you,
Oh,
yeah.
you
Pour a little more, because mine is big. Look at it. Pour some more.
Not Blake drinking.
Blake, you finna take a shot and drink. I'm pull up.
Mine is big. Mine, you got yours? Can you drink one?
Blake. I ain't gonna go.
This too much. I ain't drinking all this.
I am.
Alright, y'all.
It's gonna be a hell of a mix up.
Alright, y'all ready?
You ready?
Alright,
Cheers.
4th of July. Wait, get in the vlog.
Hold on. I need to get something.
Alright,
ready?
ready? Cheers.
YouTube Premium is asking you to and YouTube Music
Ew,
app.
I'm not finishing this.
Should I take it just like this?
Yeah, just do this. Come here, get me
I finished mine. She's a baby drinker.
Oh my god. Oh, big
that shit out wrong.
drink.
That shit's nasty. Let me get some of that coke.
You want some of my drink? Why you asking me?
It's so nasty.
You want some more? No, I didn't. I took it. Yeah.
I put up and
I was just thinking about it.
still trying to get me.
Okay. Them shoot, I ain't gonna lie, these fireworks hard. I ain't gonna lie, I keep having to. Well, this is my first time coming back to the car since I've been in the car when I was in my school. Okay, period. Y'all, I gotta get some air. I'm getting hot. I'm literally getting hot. I don't like that. But I'm gonna get back out. I finished my lemon drop and I took another half a shot. At least it seems like they know what they doing. Previous 4th of July's, I just have not been having a good experience. I'm gonna get shot, but like I done had fireworks come straight in the garage. I done had fireworks come straight to the porch, and it just have not been good. So hopefully this year is better. Right now it's 8:24. They've been shooting fireworks since like, I want to say maybe like 6. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie, I just filled my gas up yesterday, literally to the tippity top, and now it's on half.
I just paid $350, boy. And we're gonna vlog till our fucking finger hurt.
Niggas don't be trying to do collabs with you.
Huh? Yeah, but it be boys.
They be trying to like have a cute girl in the video or some shit.
But shit, They got stuff on his collar.
Yeah, bro, they keep pushing on.
So bad. Oh, dang. Yeah, he have anger management problems.
It's giving OCD.
Huh? That's an arrow.
Good shot. Good shot.
But she does this shit.
For the most part, I feel like I know what they doing. Like, they just shoot it up in the sky and not at us. I'm not posting the drink.
Y'all don't mark this in the drink already. Spike.
It's gonna be quick. It's quick.
Y'all know that TikTok? Baby, we been doing that weeks. How do that TikTok?
Bend over.
I don't know why I be like that.
Over. Straight just showing out for YouTube.
Oh shit, that shit got on me. Yo! I'm in the ghetto.
He's not even the barefoot yet though.
What?
Every day they cocking me.
Oh, still dance, still dance. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Baby made a way for himself. You back outside, I'm in the field. If I catch you, you know what it is. That's right.
God, they in front of me.
6 feet, 6 feet.
Wait, we gotta make our TikTok. What we do, run down the street?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I try to put my hair up.
We gotta drink these in sections, cause I'm not drinking.
Girl, bye. This is like our, I don't know, we've been drinking a lot. The mine just don't get away. I don't know, but it keep going away, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't even drink
After
Coke.
30 minutes.
My hair is crazy.
It look fine to me.
Down?
Mm-hmm. Natural.
Y'all, this is a big shot. I'm gonna throw
It is.
up.
We gotta take it in section. Let's take 2 shots. Second shot. Wait, this the third or second?
Man, it's the 10th. Like, we done took a whole lemon drop. This stink.
This show, dude. I'm scared. Let's take 2.
Nasty.
Do you take yours? Why you didn't take
I'm
yours?
fixing right now. Oh, baby. This is nasty. Okay, let's just finish it. Wait, finish it right quick. I'm scared. Okay, straight to the head. That shit nasty.
Jeez.
That'll get drunk.
Ew. And my hair not sweaty down.
I've been drinking more tonight.
Ew, because I'm not a drinker. I don't drink.
Me either. That's why I'm so drunk.
You drink. My hair is so big.
You ready tonight? What you gonna fix?
What you got? Oh, you getting hot green.
This shit?
Nah, I just want a hot dog, but I think they all gone. Look, y'all, she leaning.
Back and forth. Back and forth.
Sarah,
you see the fireworks going?
when you get your hair blown.
You see the firework going, you still want to ride.
Oh my God, it's so cute. Super cute. Super cute. Oh my God. It's 10:40. I'm just sleepy. They got done sweeping the fireworks. They cleaning it up. They got like 2 big bags out here. She said something about going to the park, but I don't think we're going. Sweeping.
Bro, I'm tired of sleeping every day. What you mean every day? We're in our own house, bro.
So you be sleeping at home?
Oh yeah. You on the camera?
Hey! No, you need to sweep. You're not doing nothing.
You wanna sleep?
You're not doing nothing.
You ain't doing nothing.
He doing all the work.
Like you sleeping there? Look at my pal. Look at his pal. Bro. You ain't do that by yourself.
Hey y'all, so it's 11:10. I'm heading home. I literally just left. I have work in the morning, unfortunately. Everyone started to leave or whatnot. They didn't pop all the fire. So I never did do my outro for this video. Today is July 5th. It is 8:28 right now. I just got done editing this video and just realized I had to do my outro. I do want to say I am very upset with myself because I half-assed did this vlog. Like, if I would have recorded more, this freaking vlog would have been an hour like my other ones. But like I said, I don't know why. I really feel like it's because in the beginning of the vlog I didn't have my camera charger, so I just tried to vlog little bitty parts of different days for y'all as much as I could because I didn't know what my charger was. But I mean, I guess it's still cool. It just would have been better if I recorded more. But other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I did hit 40,000 subscribers the day me and Zaria went out to eat. So thank y'all so much for that. Like, y'all really be watching me. Y'all really be subscribing. Y'all be commenting. Y'all be showing lots of love to me. Like, I just love y'all for that, period. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I love when y'all share my clips and my videos, because period. But yeah, bye.